Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather. Not too bad day. A few scattered showers around. Temperatures warmed up a little bit. We're looking at just about the same thing tomorrow, although less opportunity for showers and more opportunity for warmer temperatures. More about that in just a little bit. Nice photograph tonight. This one's sent by Daniel Slayton, mama and newborn. This one is like he was figuring just maybe a few days old. With mama, learn how to take care of itself. Anyway, nice photograph as always, and one if you can want to share with, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com, and we'll share it with the rest of the audience. Okay, here's your numbers right now. 73 today, or 73 right now, with a few sprinkles in the area, and today's high was 75. The low last night, 66. No, the low last night was not 66. The low right now is about 66, but the low last night was about 46. All right, record high 80 degrees in 2011, record low 30 in 1920. Sunrise and sunset, not quite 20 hours of daylight. We'll go over that tomorrow, a gain of 6 minutes from yesterday. On the satellite and radar, you see a few wisps of clouds moving across, the flow coming out of the southeast, helping to usher a few scattered showers around the Fairbanks area. And those are, like I said, moving across right now as we speak, and they should be out of the picture very shortly. And the rest of the evening, pretty nice. Elsewhere across the state, it looks like this on temperatures. You can see cooled down a little bit in Juneau. Cloudy skies there, 65 at Ketchikan. Not too warm in Anchorage, 55 degrees, but mostly sunny skies. Warming up a little bit at Kodiak, 54 there. Some showers around Cold Bay at 45. And up and down the west coast, temperatures in the low to mid 50s. The north slope, Barrow at 31. And for Yukon, checking in with 72 and mostly sunny skies. Lower 48 weather, it looks like this. And we're going to head over the Pacific Northwest and show you that Seattle's looking pretty nice, 70 degrees there. Up and down the west coast, it's warming up in Las Vegas, 92 there, 96 in Phoenix. And unfortunately, more rain and thunderstorm activity moving across parts of Texas. They do not need that after all the incredible amounts of rain they've had. My brother lives about 30 miles north of Houston, and he told me last night was the most impossible conditions he's ever driven in his life. So it was pretty bad there. 81 degrees in St. Louis, New York, some showers there, and Miami at 89. On the satellite and radar, you can see in the afternoon, once again, more showers and thunderstorms developing. They do not need this after having those tremendous storms and flooding conditions across much of Texas. You'll see more on that on the NBC Nightly News. More showers developing across the Rocky Mountain region. And an area of low pressure here moving across the Great Lakes, bringing a little bit of interesting weather with it. The overall outlook for tomorrow, once again, is more storms, unfortunately, moving across Texas, with this jet stream helping to agitate the atmosphere a little more. And the overall outlook for later on this week is calling for humidity coming in from the south and cooler air from the north. And you know what that means. When those clash together, you get all types of wild weather in the atmosphere, but it will be warm up and down the west coast. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Here's what it looks like in the northern sections. Mostly cloudy skies at Barrow, scattered clouds for Nome and also for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at mainly just a few clouds for the Fairbanks area. Some isolated showers are still possible for Delta Junction and Haley. Tomorrow's forecast over southeast Alaska. Periods of rain for Juneau, and then mostly cloudy skies in Ketchikan and over the southwest part of the state. Once again, a mixed bag of weather. Areas of rain for Cold Bay and Bethel, but just partly cloudy skies expected at Kodiak. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, looking at scattered clouds in Anchorage and Valdez with lots of sunshine for Homer. And our forecast for the remainder of the night, can't rule out a possible stray shower moving through. 51 degrees for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast, scattered clouds and a little warmer, 76 degrees, a little warmer than it was today. The extended forecast, though, calling for temperatures to mellow out a little bit, down to the low 70s all the way across the board. Overnight lows will also be pretty consistent, right around 50 degrees, a little bit cooler one night, down to 45, but then back up again. And no mention of any precipitation in the forecast, so all in all, I guess it's not too bad, but could be a little warmer, maybe.